How to resize product title size on product page in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can resize product title size on Shopify. In order to begin with, first of all, open up your web browser and then log in into your Shopify account. For that, you need to go to your shopify.com, and this is basically how the interface is going to look like. Now, if you think that the product title size on Shopify is too big or it's too small, then what you need to do is, in order to make changes with it, first of all, you need to go to online store on your dashboard page. It's going to take you to Shopify online store page. Here you'll need to scroll down a bit and you need to click on three-dot icon next to customize. After that, go ahead and tap on edit code. This is going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to see multiple edits. After that, scroll down right to the bottom, and in the left hand side bar you'll be able to see assets. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you click on assets, once again multiple codes will be available. So you'll need to look for the option that says section main product CSS. Make sure that you tap on the correct one. After that, you'll be able to see multiple code. Once again, on this page you need to scroll down right to the bottom. After that, you can see right at the bottom there is a blank field or the line. So what you need to do is, here you need to paste in the code. So I'll make sure to drop the code on my description box. After you're done entering the link, you'll need to click on the save button. After you've done that, you need to log out of your account and once again log in into your account and check whether the product title has been resized or not. So in this way, you can resize the product title on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.